Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is company man. A company man is a male employee who is very dedicated to the organization that employs him. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Jim's a real company man. He never misses a day of work and he does everything by the book. Sometimes a company man can be viewed as a yes man who agrees with everything the boss says. This kind of person is generally not well respected. The company man, on the other hand, is very dedicated, so this is positive, but sometimes the company man is seen to be excessively dedicated and maybe not respected by others. So the company man is a male employee who's very dedicated to the organization that employs him. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com.